NTRCA is proud to present Golden Hammer Awards for residential innovations in roofing projects to Bert Roofing. A Golden Hammer Award for residential innovations in roofing project goes to Bert Roofing for their work on Park Lane Dilbeck Cedar roof restoration. A cedar roof on a Charles Dilbeck designed residence was fully reconstructed under the guidance of Preservation Dallas and approved by the Dallas Landmark Commission. To maintain architectural authenticity, more than 100 squares of custom-milled Western red cedar shingles were sourced internationally, fire-treated, and installed with specialty underlayment and stainless steel fasteners to meet modern performance and requirements. Oversized copper step flashings, half-round gutters, and downspouts were custom fabricated to match the home's original details, while rare Pecky cypress trim was recreated to preserve historic character. Special thanks to team members Certainteed, Spec Building Materials, and Ron Siebler, historical consultant and past president of Preservation Dallas. Congratulations to the Residential Innovations in Roofing Project winners.